Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing a claw clip tutorial. I keep having requests for this, so I'm just going to do it. I actually don't wear my hair too often up in a claw clip unless I'm doing my hair. Usually I don't really wear my hair up too often, so that's the reason why I haven't done the video yet. So just throwing that out there. It's not that I didn't want to, it's just I never usually wear my hair like that. So when I do decide to wear my hair like that, what I do, this is like your standard clip. I did get these at the dollar store and they're super fancy. This one's broke. I have a pink one, but I cannot find it to save my life. This is the ones that I usually wear if I do. I like to be a little fancy. This is my other one, which is broke as well. I need to buy more. Thanks for telling me to do this video, because that just made me realize that I do need to buy some more of these or find the ones that I have, because I buy them all the time. I just can't find any. Hey, here's another one. See, I'm telling you, I have issues. This one's like really broke. I need to actually throw that one in the trash. I have this one that's not broke, but it's really small. So we're gonna go with this one because like literally last week just broke. So what I do when I do wear my hair like that is I like to leave my bangs down in a piece of like side hair, and I kind of just pull it up. I don't like it to be like super straight or anything like well done. I like to bring down the sides, just kind of get it like really loosely and messily. Like that, and then I'll grab it and just kind of twist it like that, and then place the clip like that, and I just kind of play with the hair, place it a little farther down, and just kind of play with it till I like the way it looks. Because my hair's curled, it's like, yeah, I don't like that. Let me try the smaller one. I'm gonna do the smaller one. Okay, same thing. This time, instead of twisting it, I'm just gonna try to pull it like this because I have my hair curled, and I think that's why it was like not agreeing with me, because my curls were going in different directions. So I'm gonna go like that and just kind of pull. This part's coming off. Just grab it, make sure it's in. Let me see how that looks. Whoops. I'm gonna like lift this up a little bit. See how the back looks. So I think that looks pretty. So that's how I usually wear my hair when I do wear it in the clip. Like if you want to, you could pull this back. You can actually get like the butterfly clips and just like clip them back. I like to have some hair in my face. That's just a personal preference, but you don't have to. Like you can like literally clip it all back and do it like that. That's just like how I like to wear it. It's kind of messy and just like cute. And you can also just pull the hair up here just to make it even like looser and a little bit more messier looking. Spray it down with some hairspray and you're done. That's it. Super, super easy and cute, just depending on what your preference is. But that's how I like to wear it. You can also wear it like this. You can grab all this. Same thing. Just the front hair, get out of your face. Some of it. Pull just to where it's kind of loose. And then you can clip this part up like that. It would look prettier, like with this hairstyle, if you had extensions in. So that's another way you can wear them. And that looks super cute. Actually like that. I like that a lot, doing it that way. So like I said, it just depends on your preference. If you wanted to, you could just clip this back as well. If you're looking to do it to keep your hair out of your face. I usually like hair in my face. I don't know, I feel weird. My hair's super short right here. That's another reason why. Which I could hairspray it back and it would stay. So you can do that. And it would just be out of my face. Look like that. So yeah, that's pretty much how you wear a clip claw hair clip. Super easy. They have so many different ones. I do highly recommend just going to the dollar store. They have the cutest clips for super cheap. Like, I prefer their clips rather than going to like Walmart or any other place. They have really cute ones. They do sell out really fast. So if you see a nice one, you have to get it when they have it. But like I said, that's where I got this one and it's super cute. I may have got these from there. I may have got them from Walmart. I don't know. I get these ones, they sell it there or at Walmart, but they're a lot more expensive at Walmart. I think they're like $4 at Walmart and you can get them for $1 at the dollar store. So like I said, it's just on preference. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.